chalo, in a rhombus ABCD diagonal. Okay, so in this figure you need to remember certain concept which you have already studied. So this is diagonal. Okay, sorry, rhombus. Let it place it here. Okay, and whether we are able to draw a line on it or not. Yes. Okay, so this is line, and this is line. Similarly, another line. After that I would draw the write the statement. Okay. Hey Baba. Delete maro. From this end to this end. Okay. Now see. अब हम चलाते हैं पेन, फेवरेट पेन वन. ओके, अब rhombus is ABCD, so this A, B, C and D and diagonal are AC, BD intersect each other at point O. Done. अब if cosine of angle CAB, okay, CAB, okay, so this angle is it is some, but their value is given, mean it is given that cos theta is equal to 0.6. okay, let this angle be theta. okay, so this value is given as 0.6. find the length of the side. okay, mean we need to find the AB is equal to question mark and the diagonals of the rhombus OB. so OB is equal to we can find the OD. okay, so OB is equal to 8 centimeter. so we need to find BD and CD. AC, sorry, yeah, we need to find AB, then BD and AC. so first of all, in rhombus both the diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. okay, so that's all we need. and in this triangle, see this, in triangle OAB, right angle किस पर है बेटा? at angle O. so we can apply the formula this, cos theta is equal to, see this, cos theta is equal to what will be AO upon OB, and here OB is given. okay, OB is given. okay, then we can't use the cos theta formula. this is given as 8 centimeter. okay, not an issue. We would see cos theta is given. okay, not an issue. We know the identity, that is sine square theta is equal to what? 1 minus cos square theta. so here the it is given, so sine theta is equal to square root of 1 minus cos square theta. okay, so by putting up the value 1 minus 6 6 36, 0.36, we get 0.64. इसका स्क्वायर रूट तो हमारा कितना आ गया? 0.8. तो साइन थीटा is equal to 0.8. I am writing here. Sin theta is equal to 0.8. Cos theta is equal to 0.6. Now we apply the formula. Okay. Let me clear this. is their work has been done. Okay, ठीक है, अब start करते हैं work. See, now sin theta is equal to OB upon AB. Okay, and we need to find the AB. So AB is equal to OB upon sin theta, and OB is given as 8 centimeter upon sin theta. We have already found it 0.8. When we divide, it will become 8 into 10 upon 8, cut 10 centimeter. So all the sides are 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter. Done. Now to find the AO, so we can apply the formula cos theta. Cos theta is equal to, it would be AO upon AB. What? Cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. So base is AO and this. So apply we can rearrange the formula. OA is equal to cos AB cos theta. Write again. OA is equal to AB cos theta, and AB is, we have already found it, about 10 into cos theta. Cos theta is equal to 0.6. So this comes to 6 centimeter. Okay, but we don't need to find the side, we need to find the side. Okay, so we have already found it. BD is equal to 2 into OB. So 2 into OB is given already 8 centimeter. So 16 centimeter. And AC is equal to 2 into OA, and we have already found it. 2 into OA is equal to 6, so 12 centimeter. Hope it is clear.